Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin with the essentials and the first actionable steps. Open your app project and switch to the widget target. Once done, verify the widget manifest or info. List entry where icons are referenced and back up the original asset files. Make sure to import correctly named image files. Use 1x, 2x, 3x for iOS or appropriate densities for Android. You'll edit resource names and keep version control commits small to isolate changes. This lets you revert quickly if something breaks. Next, you change the icon assets and wiring. Replace the image files using exact resource names and preserve file formats. Then update widget configuration, modify the XML attributes or the widget provider code to point at the new resource identifiers, and adjust adaptive icon foreground/background layers so shapes crop correctly. Because display masks vary, test on emulator with multiple densities and rounded corners. Make sure to increment the widget version, or cache key, so the OS reload. Finish by building and deploying the app to real devices and emulators. You want to see the new icon on home screen widgets and in quick preview. Once deployed, force stop and clear launcher or widget cache, or uninstall and reinstall if the change doesn't show. This forces the OS to reload resources. If problems persist, check logs and resource resolution in the inspector to confirm the correct asset path. A common fix is mismatch in resource name or missing adaptive layers. Correct that and rebuild.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.